Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X1 engine cover. First, you'll need to open the hood. Sit in the driver's seat and reach down with your left hand to find the hood release lever. It's usually located near the footwell, often marked with a symbol indicating 2 times. Pull this lever once to release the initial hood latch. You should hear a click from the front of the car. Now, to fully open the hood, pull the same interior lever a second time. This action completely disengages the safety latch. You can then walk to the front of your BMW X1. Gently lift the hood, and it should smoothly open and stay in position without requiring a separate prop rod. This design makes accessing your engine bay straightforward and convenient for maintenance tasks. With the hood open, you'll see the engine cover, typically a large plastic piece designed to protect and aesthetically enhance the engine bay. Before attempting removal, carefully examine the cover for any visible fasteners. Some models might have small caps that hide bolts, often 10mm nuts. However, many BMW engine covers are simply held in place by rubber grommets, meaning you won't need any tools for their removal. To remove the cover, firmly grasp the front edge with both hands and lift it straight upwards. You should feel the front rubber grommets or clips release with a gentle pop. After the front is free, pull the cover slightly forward to disengage any rear tabs or clips. Finally, carefully lift the entire engine cover away from the engine bay. Remember to be gentle to avoid damaging any components or the cover itself.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.